Hello there, it's Rag. Today's date is February 13, 2021, and what do we have here? Not Mandriva. It is not related to Mandriva at all. It is something completely different for once. What do we have here? Well, we have OpenMandriva. So what is OpenMandriva? Well, OpenMandriva is a descendant of Mandriva, which was known before a long time ago as Mandrake. And what was Mandrake back then? Well, Mandrake was kinda Ubuntu before Ubuntu, by which I mean a generic OS for desktop computers, aiming for broad audience, easy to use, and accessible for as many people as possible. And I say Ubuntu before Ubuntu because Ubuntu started to be a thing in 2004, and Mandrake already existed back then because the first version of Mandrake that was released publicly was in 1998, if I remember correctly. So OpenMandriva got a new version that was released yesterday, if I remember correctly. Yes. Friday 12 February 2021. Yes, yesterday. And I won't read the news. I won't read the what's new in OpenMandriva, the release note. I will keep the surprise for myself. And anyway, I cannot compare with the older versions because, well, I have never used OpenMandriva in my life. So this video will just be a little bit of entertainment. I will just mess around with OpenMandriva and just discover this distribution because this is a distribution that I have never used in my life. So without further ado, let's launch it in not Virtual Manager, but VirtualBox. And we are running into troubles because it doesn't want to launch the installation from OpenMandriva. I checked UEFI to see if it is compatible with UEFI, and I do expect for modern operating system to be compatible with UEFI. But perhaps I don't know if it is a problem from OpenMandriva or from VirtualBox. Well, just too bad. My bad. My god. Okay. EFI. Boot city. My bad. Just want to launch the EFI file, just right there. Well, it is working just fine, so I have no idea why it didn't go into this menu. Just like that. Quite a mystery. Language selection. Let's go with English, Canada. Keyboard layout. Let's see if it does offer Canadian French. Unfortunately, it looks like it doesn't. This is not Canadian French, it is a French keyboard, which is AZERTY, AZERTY. Oh, CF. I think CF is Canadian French. Let's see. Troubleshooting, no. Let's launch OpenMandriva. So it is launching KD Plasma. I'm not sure you guys could hear this tune right there, because I'm not recording the sound that is coming out from my computer. I'm just recording the microphone. welcome. So this is the welcome screen. Okay, so we'll see that later. Let's just install OpenMandriva. Go straight up for the installation. This is Calamares. People using Mandriva should be familiar with this installer. It is not unique to Mandriva. It is, as far as I know, a pretty generic installer for Linux distributions, any kind of Linux distributions. Pretty generic. Mandriva does use Calamares, and it looks like OpenMandriva does use Calamares too. No, I'm not in London. I'm not even in United Kingdom. I'm not even on the European continent. Oh God. No, not New York. Montreal. Usually it is like Toronto, not Montreal. Huh. I did not expect that at all. Okay, usually it is like Toronto, not Montreal. Whatever. Oh yeah. So, yeah, CF is the Canadian French keyboard. So I can use a Canadian French keyboard straight up in the live session of OpenMandriva, which is cool. Yeah, let's create a swap. So it will have a EFI partition, the one partition for the OS and every other files, and a swap partition. Let's create our user, Froggy. Open Mandriva. Whatever password. We will use the same password for root. We don't really care for our virtual machine. Or at least I do not care. Do not care for a virtual machine. Okay. Installation failed. External command failed to finish. User has been Calamares plus script failed to finish in 180 seconds. Oh. Well. Do we still have something that works? That's the question. Huh, okay. Advanced option. Okay. No, nothing interesting here. Let's try to launch OpenMandriva. Will it work? Oh, so we have a login screen? I think they only offer ISO image with plasma by default, and there is no other options, if I'm correct. Oh, we have a white window. Oh, there's something. Crossing my fingers. Ooh, the little jingle going on. But where's the desktop? Where's the desktop? Where's the desktop? Can I move this? Yes, I can move this window. But where's the desktop? Where's the desktop? Where's the desktop? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, we have a desktop. We have a oh, file system is not. File system mount at boot EFI is not responding. What is going on? What is going on? But we finally have a desktop. It is failing successfully, as we can say. But we still have a desktop, and we can still have, perhaps, an overview of what is OpenMandriva. Gonna... perhaps simply because I do not have the permissions to access this file system. I like it Wednesday, December 31st, 1969. I like this so much. Perhaps I do not have the permissions to access this. Sudo seed. I have no idea if it will work. CD command not found. What? Why? Will it work? Yes! Okay, I guess it is just because I did not have the permissions necessary to open EFI. If I do LSL, yeah, read, write, and execute for root, and nothing, no permissions at all for anybody else. So it is normal that I can't open this folder right there from my puny file manager, which is Dolphin. So we have the login screen, the welcome screen for OpenMandriva here. So that is just the welcome blah blah here. Features, new features and major changes. Well, just perhaps for people that are using OpenMandriva, perhaps they will be interested to see this. So let's just read that quickly. Kernel, so we have kernel 5.10.14 right now. Let's see for ourselves. You name, does it work? Yes, it does work. So we have Linux OpenMandriva 5.10.14, which was built February 8th. Okay. It is going very fast here. HTSMT nice is enabled by default for better responsiveness and real-time behavior on PC with HT, which is meant for hyperthreading, and SMT mean I do not remember. I need to search that. I do not remember what SMT does mean. Oh god. Okay, so as our web browser by default, we have neither Firefox nor Chromium. We have Falcon. Search with DuckDuckGo. Well, it will do the job. Simultaneous. I have no idea. What does SMT mean? What does SMT mean? SMT adhesive? No. Surface mount technology? No, not. This is not. What I am looking for. Let's say on Wikipedia, which is of course the most trustworthy source of information out there. Well, to be serious, it should should get us a good idea of what SMT actually means. It should be pretty accurate. Sulfametazine, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, simultaneous multi-threading. I think this is the definition that I was looking for. Yeah, the patent for the first modern desktop processor to implement simultaneous multi-threading. Intel calls the functionality hyper-threading technology. Oh yeah, okay, so SMT means simultaneous multi-threading. KDE Plasma. So we have KDE 5.20.5 LibreOffice. So we have LibreOffice 7.1. which is the latest version of LibreOffice. Let's go on LibreOffice.org. Download. Oh yeah, 7.1.0. This is the latest version of LibreOffice. We also have LibreOffice 7.0.4, which is the previous brand. The previous, I don't know how to mean it, but well, the previous second version, whatever, you know, the second number. Okay, so it does have LibreOffice 7.1, which is pretty modern. You cannot really be more modern than that right now, considering that having something more modern would mean having something that has not been officially released yet. Yeah, LibreOffice 7.1. Let's continue. OM Control Center. New OpenMandriva Control Center currently in beta version to help you configure your system. So for people that are using OpenMandriva, I suppose there will be a pretty significant change here, but I cannot confirm that since I have no experience on OpenMandriva at all. I'm feeling like you can configure your desktop to look and feel similar to other systems that you may be used to. OpenMandriva default, which is, I suppose, what we are having here. Whoa, why are you changing like that? Plasma Breeze Dark, which will be like the stock Plasma and Plasma, with Breeze Dark experience from KDE Plasma, the stock experience without any modification. Well, the default settings, I should say. Ubuntu, Windows 10, Windows 7. Oh boy, this does bring back memories. Windows 7. And macOS Mojave, which does not bring back any kind of memories since I do not use macOS. Fresh packages, of course, I kinda expect that because with a new release of a distro, I do expect to have access to new software. If I'm right, OpenMandriva is a fixed release distribution. Mandriva. I'm browsing the internet and it is slow after. I've just noticed that this browser does come with adblock. Why not? Let's continue, whatever. ABF, Automated Brill Farm. All OpenMandriva releases are built using an advanced platform called ABF, which is not really important for us. So let's continue. OM features, OpenMandriva Repo Picker. Let's check that out. Okay, so update channel, rock, rolling, cooker. That is interesting. Always stay on this release. Always stay on current stable release. Downgrading your system by going to a slower is not supported and may break your system. This is interesting. Really interesting. I need to check that out because that means that you can have the option to go on rolling release, if I'm right. Enable testing repositories updates ahead of time for quality insurance, which is an option that is disabled by default, of course, but you have the option here. Where can I find that information? Releases. Let's search for rock. I typed 2 characters. What are you meaning? Huh? What channel then? How to update channel. Let's see that. Rock stable release to learn how the system works. A rolling user should be able to use command line and whatever. Okay, so it does explain how to do it, which I kinda figured out. What I want to know is, what does it do? Also, they understand OpenMandriva release plan and repositories. Windows XP. Out of context, it is pretty weird. A release is a group of software packages put together to form an operating system. It's really blah 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 blah. Release are so-called update channels. Release, Rock, Rolling, and Cooker are all different release versions / update channels of OpenMandriva Lx. Oh, okay. Okay, we had the definitions here. Cooker is the development branch. This is where developers do the actual work of developing packages at the distro itself. Because of the nature of this continual work process, Cooker breaks at times. That is correct. We aren't saying Cooker might break, we say, quite honestly, Cooker will break. If you're not used to problem solving on computers at a very high level, Cooker is not for you. Rolling release is still in development and not officially announced. At present, entire rolling release is in testing stage and not yet ready for production use. Rolling is where developers take packages when they believe they are ready for use. Rolling is, as its name implies, a rolling release and will have the most up-to-date packages practical. It is designed to be a working, usable system. Rolling users may need to be able to handle some problem solving of their own, as with many bleeding edge release. Okay, so with rolling, you can get a rolling release OpenMandriva. It looks like that, which is wow. Rock repository consists of a symbolic link to the latest stable version of OpenMandriva. Currently, Rock is linked to OM 4.0. However, when OMLX 4.1 is released, Rock will automatically be switched to OM Lx 4.1. Okay, so this page is not up to date, as you can see, but we cannot get the point. So it is a stable, a fixed release distribution. But when you're on Rock, if there is a major version of the distribution that get released, you will get the big upgrade immediately. This is how I understand it. Whereas if you use the release here, it means that now I am of 4.2. If there is like a 4.3 or 5.0 that gets released later, and if I stay here, I will stay on OpenMandriva 4.2 for forever, for as long as I stay here. And if I'm ready to go, let's say on the next version, well, I could switch to Rock and upgrade, I suppose. This is how I understand this. Keep in mind that any version will eventually reach end of life and there will be no updates of any kind. Yeah, so as I said, it is a fixed release and, it is not alive forever. For example, if you take Ubuntu 2004, well, you cannot stay on Ubuntu 2004 forever. To sum this up, well, releases, you will stay on OpenMandriva 4.2 for as long as you choose this. Rock, it means that when you will have access to a newer version of OpenMandriva, it will upgrade to the next version of OpenMandriva. But outside of that, it will stay on this distro version. So you will stay on OpenMandriva 4.2 and all the software that it came with. Beside, of course, the security updates and bug fixes and stuff like that. But no major software upgrades. For as long as there is, for as long as OpenMandriva 4.2 is the latest version of OpenMandriva. But when OpenMandriva 4.3 or 5.0 or whatever will be released, you will get an upgrade, a distro upgrade, to the next version of OpenMandriva. Rolling is to have a working environment, supposedly working environment, but that is rolling from version to version for the software. So you will go from version to version for your applications. So you have a rolling release distribution essentially with rolling. And Cooker is to mess around with, just like the Math Sciences laboratory for the OpenMandriva developers to mess around and break stuff and fix stuff before they get released to other channels. You know what? So far, it has been already kind of interesting. I don't know why, but it was pretty good to see. So you have here 4 repositories. So main, which contains the main packages of the distribution. Unsupported, which contain packages that are free. And free by there, it means free as freedom and free as a free beer. So free as freedom. But are not officially supported by OpenMandriva and the priority is low. Restricted. Restricted contain packages that are free as freedom, but encumbered by patents with. My God, I do not know how to read. But encumbered by patents that may make them illegal to use or distribute in some countries. You are responsible for complying with your local laws. And non-free as non-freedom contain packages that are not free as an open source. Even if we want to, we cannot fix problems with them. We cannot read the code or verify that the packages actually do. Or verify what the packages actually do. While there are no known side effects, they may contain spyware or malware. They may erase your hard disk. You are on your own. What? This go a bit far. They may contain spyware or malware. They may erase your hard disk. This is scary as This is going a bit far. Isn't it? Okay. So what do I want to have? Well, everything. Yes, I have access to everything. Please enter root password below or click in here to continue. Okay. So it is trying to run. Okay, DNF. Oh, it is using DNF. Config manager set enable. And now I have access to all the software. Oh yeah. Desktop preset. So I can customize can change the theme, the layout of the desktop. Let's apply. Never mind. There's a lot going on. I have no panel anymore. No, I don't want to log out. It will be fine. Okay, so we have here a pretty stock KD experience beside like the icons and the icon here. But it is a pretty, stock plasma experience. Ubuntu. Okay, so you have the menu, the launcher. Okay, menu. Okay, I see. The menu as where's the menu? Where the menu is. The menu will be in the window here. The launcher as in order to launch applications right there. The icons as the theme for the icons. The button order, which is yes or no and yes. And mouse click, which is single click in order to launch something on the desktop. Or double click. Let's go with Ubuntu and apply. Let's see. Why does it need DNF? Alright, so it wants to install stuff. They're not expected to launch DNF, which is a package manager. And DNF is something that comes from Red Hat, if I remember correctly. Dendified Yum is the next generation version of Yellow Dog Updater. Dungeon Fighter Online. Well, yeah, DNF is also used on Fedora in order to deal with RPM packages. Okay. Oh boy. I am in trouble. Let's figure out how to install software on OpenMandriva. By the way, it is still freezing like that. How to install software. How to install Steam in OpenMandriva. How to create root, home, and subpartition. No. How to install Steam in OpenMandriva. Repository selector. Well, okay. Enable main 30. It did not offer me to. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. Maybe the documentation is quite old because it did not offer me to enable 32-bit software, right? Let's go back on this. See? There is no 32-bit. Maybe the documentation is outdated. Install Steam with DNF. Well, yes, I could use DNF, but what if I do not want to use DNF? It is still struggling to. Oh god! Oh, we have something going on. We have something going on. Whoa! We are getting somewhere. We should have the Ubuntu look pretty soon. No, I do not want to. Oh my god. I should. Oh, never mind. Does not look good. I'm sorry to say that, but it does not look good. Maybe if I log out. Maybe if I log out and log in as it asked, maybe it will look better. But right now it is not very. It is not pretty. Let's see if it is better after logging in. Plasma made by KDE. Hopefully I did not kill OpenMandriva already. You know, I'm still recording. As you can see. 1 hour and 6 minutes. I'm still recording, but hello. It is just taking forever. And I have no idea why. Man, what's going on? Why? What's going on? Oh boy. Hopefully I did not kill OpenMandriva. Is it already the end of the video? Hopefully not. Okay, so we are back, and it is different, but it doesn't look much better, to be honest. I'm not pleased. I do not think it does look good, to be honest. Let's go to something else. So I have no idea what happened last time. Let's try Windows 10. Okay. Let's try Windows 10 and see if it is better. And yeah, because it is downloading stuff right now, it just looks awkward like that. What? Oh yeah, because I add the simple screen recorder here. I was wondering why the panel of Mandriva was showing in front of OpenMandriva suddenly, and I just remembered why. Yes. At that point, I wonder why it simply did not come with the proper software needed to make all these possibilities work immediately instead of having to wait like this. With something that looks more glitchy than anything else. Oh, we have a Windows 10 like theme right there. As you can see, it is pretty well imitated for the most part. I do wish to log out now. Let's say yes, because anyway I have nothing to launch. I thought it was supposed to log me out, which I think it will do pretty soon. Okay, let's log back in, and hopefully will work better this time. Sadly, it looks like it did not survive. Well, let's just do it. Alright, we're back. And here we go. So it does look a bit similar to Windows 10. Okay. Of course, the tiles are not there. The tiles, like in Windows 10, you have tiles here usually. It uses a theme that does look like Windows in terms of icons. Okay, so, well, what did you expect? It is supposed to be slightly similar to Windows, and it is quite similar to Windows 10. Let's see Windows 7. Ooh, the shield. Just like in Windows. This cursor is quite similar to Windows, isn't it? Oh. Oh, alright. Well, it does look like the good old Windows 7, and even with ooh. Ah, but it does use like the same menu as in well, the KDE one, the KDE default one. But oh my god, check that out! Transparency! Wow! Oh man, it does bring back some memories here. The glass-like window, the transparency, and does bring back memories. Man, it was a good old time. Man, what a good old time. Let's continue with macOS. What the hell is that? Instant messaging. Well, no, I do not have instant messaging indeed. So much nostalgia kicked in inside of me. Oh, I'm loading like Dolphin at the same, at the same time. Okay, so you have a macOS-like theme here. Do you wish to log out now? No, it will be fine. Well, so far it does look fine. Does look like what you will expect from a macOS-like theme. Except for having the Windows icons! Wait a minute! What? 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 Oh, yeah, I have a duck. No. OEM, OM welcome. Feeling like MC Moave, Falcon Web, Dolphin. What? Okay, perhaps it is because I launched Dolphin before changing the theme. So, well, it doesn't behave well with VirtualBox. Let's try again. Okay, now it is much better. Okay, now it is working correctly. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. And why does it say open install? Wait a minute. I am. Okay, let's remove this first. Okay. Eject. Which should not really matter. But I am in, I am not in a live session. Oh yeah, those icons are quite a bit janky for the dock. But that's not the point. I am supposed to be in You know, I'm not in a live session. I am on the real deal. I am on, you know, the installed OS with, you know, Frog, which I installed. So why does it offer me to install Mandriva? It is already installed. Hey, wait a minute. Can I install while having it already installed? Wait, whoa. Now that's going meta. Yes! I can launch Calamares. I can install from an installed Mandriva. Wow! But it does not work because there's no partition to install on. It freaked out. But I can launch Calamares on my already installed OS, which blows my mind. I think that is a leftover that is not supposed to be here. This is not supposed to be here at all, I think. Whoops! Oops! So it means that Calamares is installed on my main system. Wow. Okay, so let's select the default Mandriva theme, even though I do like the Windows one, the Windows 7 one, I should say. Let's go with the OpenMandriva look and feel, the default one on Mandriva. No, thanks. It should be fine. If I can have my my panel back, yes. The only problem is I do not have an icon anymore. I do not have an icon anymore, but let's continue despite this. Update configuration. Okay, so would you like to keep your system up to date automatically? Do not install update automatically. Yes. Okay. So you can choose to go with download and install updates automatically, download updates automatically, install manually, which could be interesting because you still decide when to install the update, but it will just download the updates in the background. Or do not install updates automatically and you will launch when to download the updates and when to install it. I will go with this because I do not necessarily want to get download started out of my control, but this is just a personal preference. Control center, let's see that. Oh, iFrog. Welcome. The welcome screen software. Install additional applications with the DNF Dragora. Open the repo picker is the same tool that I used earlier to check the repositories. Yeah, it is the same tool, so we already checked that out. So we have DNF Dragora as our package manager. Let's see if I can install something. Let's see. GIMP. Is it already installed? No. Can I install it? That's the question. I click here. Let's see if I can figure out how to install something with DNF Dragora. And of course, it will install a whole bunch of stuff. Well, it is downloading packages. Hey, by the way, I still have the cursor from the Windows theme. I think it does not modify the cursor automatically. Well, I think it will be set correctly if I log out and then log in again. But that's okay. We'll continue like that. Apply. Change to the system. And what? I'm supposed to have GIMP, right? Yeah. Huh, never mind. It is checked. That was weird, but it became checked. A bit late, but whatever. So I have GIMP now. Now can I see about? Finally. The end of Dragora. Let's see. Let's continue with the control center. Backup to back up your data with an easy to use user interface. Woo. I will not mess with that. Hardware. Display and monitor. Well, it is just like the module from Plasma settings. If I go here, display and monitor. Bam! Just like that. Configuring a printer. The same thing as in Plasma setting. Yeah. Local disk. Configure your local drives. Yeah, just launches a KD partition manager. I just want to cancel, man. I don't care. Okay, and if you fail, okay, so as long as I do not type my password, I'm stuck. So even if I fail like 2,000 times, it won't leave me alone. I can type garbage. It doesn't care at all. It won't leave me alone until I type the right password. If I can even type it correctly. Finally. Storage device. That's it. Network connections. Oh yeah, pretty much the same thing as in Plasma settings. If I go there, network connection. Wait a minute. Bam, the same thing. System. Add and configure user and groups. Run as root. Yeah, sure. K user. Oh boy. Now you're talking. That is a user manager, man. Hey, that's me. That's me. And groups. So yeah, you can configure groups too. And if I want, this is me. And groups, I can. This is a pretty complete manager for users, which I'm quite surprised and happy to see, because it is quite rare to see a really deep user manager, to be honest. A deep graphical user manager, to be honest. Often what you get is like... wait a moment. Often what you will get is like... well, what? Where? Where am I supposed to go? I do not even remember where I'm supposed to go. That's great. I know you can manage users on KDE. Service management, which is the systemd thing. And again, this is really complete. Pretty complete in terms of systemd management. Configure time, date and time zone, set and date and time automatically. So to get synchronization, configure the system boot. Ooh, what is this? Default entry Mandriva. Ooh, that seems pretty complicated. I will not mess with that. I want to keep sane and working installation of OpenMandriva. The bug report.log has been created in your own directory. This shell will have a bug fixing process. The file generator will be attached to any bug report. Okay, so it looks like this thing. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, it is an archive. But why does it say txt? This is weird. Well, it is supposed to be an archive. ZST is an archive format. Am I right? Install. Oh, create X guest user as lockdown user. You can't create a guest account. Whoa, I need to try that. Oh, guest account already installed. So it created a guest account. Okay, so the user 59,000 is the X guest. Ooh. Okay, so I need to see that. I will just reset the old thing. This is going pretty well so far. I have a lot of fun trying out OpenMandriva. It has been pretty interesting, pretty funny to see at some moments. Lol. Oh, I have a guest account. Okay. So guest account. Normally, I should not need any password. Yeah, sure, the OM welcome, whatever. We do not really care. Hey! The install OpenMandriva is back! On a guest account, it should not work really well. It did not work really well anyway, so... okay, so normally if it is a guest account, let's say I go on Google, I'll download any kind of images of Sylvester Stallone. No, pretty cute Sylveon. Let's download an image. Yeah, let's say that one. Oh, let's go with that one. I'm just trying to launch a file manager. And I failed to launch a file manager. Oh my god, I'm such a loser. Why am I struggling that much to launch Dolphin? Oh my god. Pictures. Download? Yeah, download. So here's our cute Sylvian picture. But the question is, let's say that I log out. And then I log in. Will it stay here? And I'm still struggling to launch Dolphin. Normally? And BAM! It has disappeared! No! Well, as you expect from a guest account, there should be nothing left when you log out. So, it is doing what I was expected to see. Let's try again. Let's try again with more files. We'll get other cute Sylvian images on Google. On Google. I am going on Google, not on DuckDuckGo, but whatever. Sylvian Stallone. Does it work? Oh, yes! It does work. Yes! Great. So, let's save this on home, xguest, desktop, save. So we have our picture, blurry picture. Nice. And let's create a text file with whatever utilities. Kate. Sylvian is best Pokemon. Teehee. And cool text.txt. I have no idea where I saved the file. I'm an idiot. Oh yeah, okay, just on the home directory. Move there. Good. So I have my nice Sylvian stuff. Oh my god. So I have the Sylvian Stallone here and the cool text. If I log out, it should disappear. Let's log in again. Yeah, okay, it just resets to the default OpenMandriva stuff. And the desktop is completely empty except from the default icons here, including the installer. Including the installer that is not supposed to be there. But hey, at first glance, it does the job it is supposed to do. Which is nice. I like that. I like that feature. Good. Well, this is going pretty well. This was a pleasant surprise to see guest accounts. Network. Okay, I was there. Okay, so I'm now on security. Configure your firewall. I suppose it would launch GUFW? Not at all. This is not GUFW. It is similar. It is similar. But it is not quite the same. But I could not tell what. Oh, maybe it is from. If I go in system settings. Plasma settings. Does it have a firewall? Yes, it does. Okay, so it is the same thing as this. I thought I would have like GUFW, but no. No. It is not GUFW. Password and keys. Cleopatra? Oh, yeah, okay. Just Cleopatra. To manage your passwords. Security and about. Well, it is the end of Control Center. Let's just continue. So, applications. Install some extra applications to Mandriva Lx 4.2. To install, click the application icons. You may need to enable the relevant repository. Okay. Chromium. Hey. Chromium is there, but I heard that Chromium will be stripped down. I heard that from archlinux.org. I know I'm on the ArchLinux website on on OpenMandriva, which is in a virtual machine, which the host machine is on Manjaro. Man, that is so weird. Google has announced that they are going to block everything but GNOME from accessing certain Google features like Chrome Sync starting on March 15. This decision by Google is going to... Wait, yeah. So Chromium will get stripped down. And some features will become exclusive to Google Chrome, the original Google Chrome. Okay, so let's continue. I don't know why I went sideways like that, but... Skype Online, Dropbox, Multimedia, Codex. Oh, yeah. So, install Codex. Of course, you will install it with DNF until I enter the password correctly. Oh, you can install OBS Studio. Cool. So, I guess the codecs are installed. Stacer, the Guru FileZilla VirtualBox, and games. Do not expect the... Oh, but you could install Steam. Let's see if it works. Can you install Steam? Oh my god, am I typing my password correctly? While I'm messing too much with OpenMandriva, it froze. Hopefully it won't break and crash the whole operating system. That will be pretty sad. Okay, never mind. Configure task manager. I don't like having like this. Maximum row, just one, please. So it should change anytime soon. Oh yeah, yes, that's it. That's all I like it. Do I have Steam now? No, I don't have Steam yet. I do not have Steam yet. Maybe later. So let's continue for the moment. Contribute. Okay, yeah. Nothing interesting here for us and about. And this is about a welcome screen. Okay, so let's launch DNF Dragora. Oh, I have Discover too. Huh, I have Discover. Let's use Discover, to be honest. I want to try out Discover too. Can I have access to... Oh my god. What's going on? The launcher is going crazy. I want to go on Discover, please. Hello! That launcher is dying. Oh, code... Oh, it just finished to install the codecs. Oh, what? I thought it was already finished. No wonder it did not install Steam. It did not even finish. It did not even finish to install the codecs. What am I? How was I supposed to know? How was I supposed to know? Okay, so let's go back on the welcome screen. Applications, multimedia. No, it was in games. Let's install Steam. Okay, so eventually I should have Steam added here. Alright, we're back. Steam successfully installed. Let's see if it is real. Game. Oh my god. Steam. Pins potentially out of date, rebuilding. Well, do whatever you have to do. While it is doing its stuff, let's launch Discover. Oh my god, updating Steam. Huh. Well, it looks like we have Steam, ladies and gentlemen. Discover. I said Discover. What does it do that I hit cancel? It doesn't let Discover. But I wonder, why does it take so long? Well, unable to download an application, please verify internet connectivity. But it is working. So what's the issue? What? Okay, okay, let's forget about Discover for the moment. We'll use the NF Dragora, I suppose. Firefox. Does it have Firefox? Yes, it does have Firefox 85. So no ESR here. Unless... No, I was saying unless it is like in a different package, for example, Firefox ESR or whatever. No, just Firefox and Firefox whatever it is at the moment. So does it? So it does have Steam, of course. But does it have Discord? No. Oh. Doesn't have Discord. Spotify, I'm pretty sure it won't. No, of course not. Okay, so no Discord. I wonder if there's Flatpak. It is. Yeah, it is compatible with Flatpak, but it is not installed by default. But it does offer Flatpak. Does it? Oh yeah, let's go crazy. Does it? Snapfly, Snappy, R snapshot. No. Let's see on Snapcraft. Store about. Let's see. Okay. Our universal store. So where does it say? Learn about open source, but not only. Will publish and host for free a universal store. Oh. Okay, so installing Snapd. Snaps can be used on all major Linux distributions, including Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Debian, and Fedora. Distribution with Snap reinstalled KDE Neon, Manjaro. I do confirm that, even if it does not please everyone. Solvus 3 and above, Ubuntu, of course. Ubuntu will be the obvious first one. Zorin OS. Distribution without Snapd pre-install, Arch Linux, CentOS, Debian, Elementary OS, Fedora, Kali Linux, KDE Neon, Ubuntu, Linux Mint. Okay. With Snapd pre-install, Manjaro. Without Snapd pre-install, Manjaro again. And yeah. OpenSUSE, Parrot Security OS, Pop OS, Raspberry Pi OS, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Solus, Ubuntu. Oh yeah, okay, maybe Ubuntu before 1604.4. That would make sense. Okay, I see. So, as far as I know, no snaps, but we do have access to Flatpak. Even if it is not installed by default, you still have access to it if you want. Let's see if it works. Man, let's go wild and let's see if it works. Sure, it will install a bunch of stuff. Let's see if it works. Okay, so Flatpak is installed, my god. I was going to say Snappak, which is pretty weird. Snappak. So Flatpak is now installed. So Flatpak list won't work. Yeah, Flatpak 1.10.1. Is it the latest version of Flatpak? I think it is. I won't compare with Upstream, but I will compare with Arch Linux. Arch Linux should be pretty close. Well, hello, Steam. Still going strong. Arch is not upstream, but we should get a good idea. And yes, 1.10.1. So it is up to date. It is the most recent version, as far as I know, unless it has not been flagged out of date. Let's see from upstream. The future of apps. Oh, hello Steam. So I won't log in, but there it is. See the complete list. Let's see if OpenMandriva is there. Ubuntu, Elementary OS, Solin OS. I have no idea what it is. Nixo is void, clear. Deep in Pardus. PC. Atraxia. Yo. Magia is here, but... No, where's OpenMandriva? No, OpenMandriva is not here. No. So let's see on GitHub if we can get what is the latest version. There it is. 1.10.1 is the latest version of Flatpak. Okay, so let's install something with Flatpak. Let's install Discord. No remote reference found similar to Discord. Flatpak search Discord. No matches found. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me see something. Let's go on Mandriva for a moment. Flatpak list. Discord. Discord app. Discord. Okay. I'll just keep that just on my other screen. Flatpak. Install. Discord app. Discord. No remote ref. Okay. I think the problem is that FlatHub is not configured. That is most likely the issue here. Okay, so let's try that out. Let's see if we can figure out how to install FlatHub. I'll just close everything except DuckDuckGo. Let's see if we can figure out how to get FlatHub working on OpenMandriva. Quick setup. No, that's not what I asked. Well, I thought that FlatHub would be like pre-installed with Flatpak, but perhaps I'm wrong. Quick setup. Just redirect to flatpak.org. Okay. Man, Flatpak. What I'm trying to do is to manage the remotes. Okay, so Flatpak remotes. List all configure remote repositories. Okay. Let's open another terminal. Troubleshooting my issues. This is not what I meant to do. Okay. Flatpak remotes. I have nothing. I have literally nothing. So I need to add FlatHub somehow. But how do I do that? Quick setup. Let's say Arch Linux. Do I need to restart the system? Nah, will it be that? Come on. It won't be that simple, right? I mean, FlatHub is not there. FlatHub is not there. Alright, we're back. Man, it can't be that simple. No. There's no way. There's no way. Magnificent. Oh, and welcome. So I will just check this do not start OMA welcome on login because we do not need that anymore. Yeah, we do not need that anymore. Flatpak remotes. No. I mean, normally do not need to type like the old, the old ID like this. Only just Discord should be just enough. But I have an idea. Let's go here. And Flatpak remotes. FlatHub. Here it is. FlatHub option system. So how can I have FlatHub now? Man, Flatpak. Flatpak remote add. Let's see this command how it works. Name and location. Okay. So normally with Flatpak, and there was a command like remote info. Yes, remote info. So normally if I go there, Flatpak remote info FlatHub. Remove? No. Remote info with this? No. What? Wait a minute. How am I supposed to use this command? Remote info. Man. Oh my god. So much searching the manual. Flatpak remote info. Yeah, remote info. Yeah. Remote ref. What is ref? Unless if I do remotes, maybe there's a verbals. Yeah. Debug information, no. Show detail. Okay, let's go with this. Remote D. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. dl-flathub.r.repo. Why is this not on the website? Like, so obvious. Why is it not like on the website? I have no idea, man. Okay, copy. Now let's check how to add a repo. Remote add, name and location. So normally, if it goes fine, okay, Flatpak, remote add, FlatHub, and I have no idea what the address is. First, can I just get the shared clipboard bidirectional? Copy. Paste. And type the password. Oh my god. Can check signature, public key not. Oh my god, I have to struggle with PGP keys now. Oh man, I don't want to struggle with PGP. No. What? No, I don't want. Don't do that, okay? But I don't want to care. What? It worked? It worked? It worked? Okay. Flatpak install Discord. Unable to note summary from signature. Oh no, I don't want to bother with that, please. I just want to mess around. No. Oh my god. Can I skip the PGP verifications? Oh my, oops. Need to add install. I just want. Okay, GPG file, no. Assume yes, non-interactive, verbose. Bundle, no. From, no. Reinstall user system, no. No. Can I just not mess with unless? Okay, let's see if I can. Remote remove first. Remote delete. My bad. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh. Oh. Oh, we're going somewhere, baby. With no security at all, we do not care. Let's go. No! No! Ah! We were so close. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. So close yet so far. Faye can pull from untrust GP non-GPG verified remote. What if I actually want to screw my system and install stuff without verifying? Can you allow me to do that, please? No. You know, read the fucking manual, as they say. But I am reading the manual and I'm going nowhere! Let's see if the Arch wiki will save us, even if I'm not using Arch Linux. By the way, I just noticed that I'm not in full screen mode. Arch wiki, please save us and tell us the truth about Flatpak. Managing repositories. Remote add name location. Well, thanks, Sherlock. Add a repository, it is what I just read. If not exist. What is that? If not exist. Do nothing with the private. Okay, that's nothing to do with our problem. Wait a minute. Maybe I did it completely wrong from the beginning. Okay, Flatpak remote. Okay, Flatpak remote delete. Delete FlatHub. Now Flatpak add. My god, it is so small. I just noticed that, but you guys will see nothing. So my video is done for nothing now. I'm just kidding, but like you will have to look at the bottom of your screen for like 15-20 minutes. Make it bigger. Is this big enough for you guys and gals? Remote add. Maybe I did it completely not the right way. Maybe I needed this file actually. And I did not figure that out by reading the fucking manual. So RTFM in your buttocks. Of course it won't help if I type my password not properly. Oh, we are going somewhere. So Flatpak install Discord. Will it work? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, it is too soon. As we say in French, il ne faut pas vendre la peau de l'ours avant de l'avoir tué. I have no idea what will be the equivalent in English, but whatever. Alright, I'm back, and could not resolve host name. Maybe, let's just try again. Maybe my internet connection went did something odd. Yeah, I think it is just my internet connection failing for a brief moment, so for whatever reason. I am so excited. I am so excited. I smell the success. Installation complete. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Can we get... where's Discord? Oh, there it is. No icon though. Discord. Let's go. It's working! Woo! It's working! All these efforts! Finally! All these efforts paid off! We got Discord! Ladies and gentlemen, we got Discord from Flatpak. I need to try it. Let's say, can I install Spotify? Yes. Oh, I got the icon. Oh yes. Oh yeah, it is so pretty. Discord on OpenMandriva through Flatpak. So while this is getting installed, let's see if we have some theming available. Global themes. Let's just mess around with Breeze Dark, So not a lot going on, just like, you know, MC Mojave, you know, that some things pre-installed by default, which you have access with the welcome screen. From the welcome screen, you know, the thing that we had before. Where is it? Where utilities? Oh yeah, welcome. You know, from the welcome screen, we had the desktop presets. Although Windows is not there. You have no global thing for Windows, but whatever. Plasma style, breeze dark, air, unity, ambience, Windows 10 plasma theme. No Windows 7 though. So oh yeah, 7 blight, never mind, 7 is there. Application style. What is it using for GTK? Oh boy. GTK theme is blank. Is it a bug? Perhaps it is a bug. This is weird. Windows decoration, so you have KO1, which is the Windows 10 one. Mojave, the 7 one, plastic, the Yaru KDE dark. Colors, so you have breeze, etc. Some colors, many colors available. Okay. In terms of wallpapers, we're just messing around while it is getting installed. Just getting some time. Please show me the beautiful wallpapers. Ooh, ooh, MC Mojave. Ooh. What is... Ooh, Mercury. OpenMandriva nitrogen. Okay. Let's get some good wallpaper. Oh yeah, that's good. Good enough. No, that's not good. Oh yeah, now you're talking. Hey, give me my wallpaper. Oh yeah, this is some Linux customization at its finest. Mwah. Yes. So many pretty pictures. Ooh. Ooh, unfortunately, it is more for phone than anything else. Using a computer, baby. Woohoo! Linux is the best. 188.6 megabyte over 192.8 megabytes. I don't know why. Is it a bug or is it normal? Or, you know, it is how Flatpak is supposed to work. And I have no idea what black magic is going on. Spotify no icon again. Again, I won't log in, but yeah, Spotify. Hey, not anything of it. I have not gone on YouTube already. I have no idea how I forgot about YouTube being a thing. I can type. Yo. Why? I can't type anymore. Yeah. I can't type anymore. My system is trashed. I cannot type anymore. Let's restart to see if it fixes the issue. I wonder if I can even type here. Yes, I can. Yeah. Okay, I can type on Mandriva. I can type on my host. So I should be able to type in my virtual machine. Normally? Okay, we're back. Okay, I can type again. Oh my god. I'm recording. I've been recording for like more than 3 hours. This video will take so much time to edit. Oh god. Oh, Pokemons! So, let's go back on the internet. Oh, Discord. Oh yeah, I got the icons. Now the icons are working. Good. Now the icons are working. You got the icon for Spotify and you got the icon for Discord, which I both installed with Flatpak. Let's go on the internet with Falcon. I didn't bother to install Firefox. Well, I could try to install stuff. Yeah, I've not tried to install stuff with DNF. I'm not. Let's try again Discover though, because last time it did not work. Let's see if it will work better this time, or it is just complete garbage. And while it is loading, let's go on YouTube. Poor girl bullied for her high school lunch. What can you get with $100 in Canada? Weed. Leaving my dog along with a juicy steak. Let's go see. Draga 1. Oh yeah, North Korean Red Star OS first Red Star OS. Let's go.
Hey smokers, Draga 1 here. I'm coming at you with the probably pretty lower video.
Well, I can't watch video on YouTube. I didn't install the codecs earlier. Audio is working. Sure you.
I should try and install.
Wait a minute. It is not working. It is not working. So I will just put my microphone near the speaker. Raise the volume up.
One of the ones that I always wanted to try but never really got around to was something
as
called
you can see, it
Red
is
Star
working.
OS. That's right. It would
Of
be,
course, the quality will be bad
apparently
because
there's
I'm
more
recording
videos
like the
operate
speaker with my microphone. I'm not
system.
recording. I'm not recording the audio from my desktop computer directly, so the quality will be trash. But nice. That's not the purpose. It's just testing if I can get audio and watching YouTube. Let's see someone else. MGD. MGD. Yes. Microsoft Windows XP and native software. Oh yeah, nice spawn here. Software. I'm getting ads.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video.
That was loud.
In today's episode, it's unboxing time again, and I'm really excited about this one because this right here, this package contains 2 sweaters. Yes, we're diving into MJD clothing.
I wonder if with cases guard, can I monitor the network? Yeah, it is downloading something. Although slowly, but it is downloading stuff. So let's go back on. Oh, what? It closed. It closed. So yeah, we're fine now. We are fine.
Hello everybody. And
oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I forgot. I had a heart attack. I forgot about Falcon. Oops. Oops. Okay, so Discovered is supposed to be working now. I was just too impatient. The thing I wanted to try, yeah, Firefox. Yeah, let's install we'll try to install Firefox from Discover. This is not Firefox. How is it possible not finding Firefox? Wait a minute. How is it possible not finding Firefox? This is like Tor browser. You mean you offer me Tor browser and you can't find still looking. You can't find Firefox? Okay, let's try something else. Okay, it's not really okay. The GNOME disk. I want to see if GTK applications will work properly on OpenMandriva with KE Plasma without any kind of tweaks. So let's go with a very classic GNOME application, GNOME disk. Just it's just a classic one. Okay, so GNOME disk got installed. Utilities. It will be either in utility or system. Perhaps system. More application. No, external. System. No, it was not a system. Maybe utilities. DNF Dragora. Oh yeah, this. Okay, I found it. Let's see if can. Yeah, it can handle no applications. This is a bit. I don't know if it is a bug or whatever it is, but it is quite similar to the general theme of of the other applications that are in Qt. For example, take Dolphin. That's close enough for me. That's close enough for me. So I have nothing to complain here. Okay, what else could I install with to test out GDK? Let's another GTK applications. Anything, man. Anything. Gedit. Yeah, gedit. Let's go for gedit. Gedit. Let's go for gedit. Let's go with gedit. So utilities. No, not kwrite. Text editor. Maybe this one. Yes, this one. And yeah. Well, it's looking good. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, it is working properly so far. Yeah. Let's launch the DNF Dragora. There's something interesting that I saw when I typed Flatpak earlier. Discover backend Flatpak. But I will install it with DNF. I will try to install it with DNF. Just for fun. Problem is that I do not remember the name. That's why I kinda like to have a graphical package manager. I know I could use like search functions, but discover backend Flatpak. Oh, man, DNF. Let's see. Is there a search command? Install example, list command, mark command, module command, provide command, reinstall command, repo query command, select option, repo query. Oh yeah, okay, so DNF repo query. Flat pack. Okay, so now sudo dnf this install discovered backend flatpak. Is it okay? Yes, let's go. And transaction completed. Yeah. So this got installed. Let's see if Discoverer can now manage flatpaks.
One eternity later.
Oh yeah. It took a long time, but let's see if I can now install flatpaks. What else could I install from flatpak though? Let's see. Okay, let's go for open search. A 2D retro inspired by Sonic games. Indeed, it does look like Sonic the Hedgehog. Just a little bit. Okay, let's go for this. Can we get open search? Yes. And now the question is it from FlatHub? And how am I supposed to... Oh yeah, source FlatHub flatpak. So it is the from FlatHub. And let's install open search. I think I will do a video about that because it does look interesting. Open search. I did play the old Sonic the Hedgehog games on the Sega Genesis. Like I played the Sonic 1, Sonic 2, Sonic 3, and Sonic and Knuckle. I think I've never beaten like any of them in my life. The closest would be like Sonic 2. I did reach the final boss, but I think I've never beaten the final boss. The only one I never played is Sonic CD, which is not technically not on the Sega Genesis, but on the Sega CD. But never played Sonic CD. Alright, the installation has finished. Let's see what is this game. Well, it is not there. Oh. Open. Search. Oh, there it is. Let's launch the game. Let's go. French. Allegro. Oh. Créer. Partager. Option. Plein écran. Yes, sir. The thing I'm looking for is, can I change the controls? Can I... Looks like I can't. Although the controls are quite easy, I mean... left, right, space to jump, and that's pretty much it. So there's... Let's see if we can do the blast. Oh, is this the... Yeah, this is the immune mascot? You know, the peer-to-peer program, Immune? It is not blast processing that much. Perhaps could be a bit faster. Or maybe because my FPS, I'm not running the game at 60 FPS. That might be the issue here. Well, it is going quite fast. Ah, never mind, it's going fine. Yeah, it does feel like a Sonic game. Oh my bad, a Surge game. Although, if only I could rebind the keys though, because I'm really not used to control a character with the arrow keys. Although it is fine, there is no problem with this game. For this game. Okay, can I spin dash? Yes, I can spin dash. Oh, I got one rid of not rings, but power. So I have an attack. Oh, my bad. Oh, this is the kitty mascot, Conky. It is Conky. Oh, Conky is so cute. This is Conky. This is Conky. Oh yeah, I have an attack actually. Oh man. I have an attack. Oh, the new mascot. So, I'm even more powerful than Sonic because Sonic, in the old games, he didn't have much in terms of attacks. Could only jump over enemies, but outside of that, he had nothing really. Oh, that is... Oh! It is a bit loud, but yeah, he got some swag here. Okay, so that's pretty cool, I guess. Oh, little penguin here. So that's pretty cool for what it is. I did not expect to have anything special actually. A bit slow perhaps, but maybe it is because I'm running it inside a virtual machine, so I need to test that game inside my real computer. Wow. Outside of that, it is quite enjoyable for what it is. Okay, so I will just leave there. Oh. Okay, never mind. So the only thing that is pretty unfortunate is that I can rebind the keys, which will be like my main issue with this game. Because I would like to rebind, you know, moving character with WASD and jumping with like, I don't know, maybe like a number in a numpad or whatever. But that was pretty cool for what it is, and you know, I only need to install this game in order to test out if I can install a flat pack with Discover, and it works. It works. So yeah, I will end the video here. Perhaps just one last thing. You know, just install an application. I already installed a package with DNF, but oh my god, this is quite annoying that it has to update like that every time I launch Discover, and it takes minutes. This is quite annoying, to be honest. Yeah, whatever. So let's just sudo DNF install. Let's say I want to install Firefox. I will just zoom in a little bit so you can see what's going on. Yeah, if I do flat pack list, yeah, so you have OpenSearch here. So let's do sudo dnf install Firefox. We should get Firefox. Is it okay? Yes. Let's go. Oh, hello. Hello there, Discover. Oh, now Firefox is appearing, only because it is on FlatHub, but not from the repos. Okay. Yep, so no Firefox. Never mind. Man, that is so weird. Whatever. Alright, so let's see if Firefox is working. Firefox. I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't work. Such a classic application. Yeah, here we go. Firefox 85.0.1, as you can see. Is it the most recent version? Anyway, it will be the end of the video. It was a lot of fun. I did not expect to have so much fun using OpenMandriva. No. Yeah. So, yeah, this will be pretty much the end of the video. No, this is not the most recent version. There's 85.0.2, so they are a little bit behind for Firefox. So perhaps there will be updates soon, I hope. Anyway, so it will be the end of the video. It was a lot of fun messing around with OpenMandriva. So hopefully you guys found this video interesting and entertaining. I will leave you there. I will have much less fun when I will edit this monster here. 4 hours and a half. Oh my god. Anyway, you are not the one who will suffer. I will be the one who will suffer editing this video. So see you next time for another video.